Welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie, and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today, we're here to talk a little bit about terminology to help you be a more educated art stuff shopper. So, we're talking a little bit about the word open time. What does that mean? Open time is a word that we use to describe the time from when you have squirted the paint out of the tube, applied it to the surface until it dries. So that period of time where the paint is still open, alive, and workable and flexible to changes is what we refer to as open time. Watercolor would have comparatively a shorter open time because it dries quickly, but you can still mess with it. Acrylic would have kind of like a medium length open time, and then oil would of course be the longest because you have days and days and days that you can play with that. With acrylic, you will see that there's tons and tons of mediums and dryers to adjust open time. Golden even has a whole line called Open so that you can play with your acrylics as long as you want to, and it isn't until you set them out to dry purposefully that they will actually dry to where they cannot be altered anymore. That is what open time means when we're talking about this paint has a particularly long open time. That means that it takes a long time for it to dry, or it is slower to dry, which gives you more options while you're working. So now you know, and that will help you in your search for the perfect art stuff for you. Enjoy!